What's going on YouTube? Teo aka Poncho here, and I am back. We got another motherfucking video, my boy. We on a motherfucking roll. Alright, so look, y'all already know how we do it on this channel. We do not waste no motherfucking time, right? So if you go to the description down below, it'll take you to my Twitter, and on my Twitter it'll take you to this post. Depending on, like, you feel me, if you got enough space on your computer and how you want to do this, Mugen altogether is about 100 plus GB, right? So what you want to do is, if you ain't got enough space on your computer and you want to delete things as you're downloading Mugen, you can go for the 8 files, and then you could press this link right here, and then it'll take you to, it's the same thing as these 4 files. It's just separated into 8 smaller files that are 5 GB each, except for the last one, which is 4. That way you can, like, you know, delete stuff as you go, so that you can, you feel me, have enough space. But if you already got enough space like I do, you can just press the 4 files link and it'll take you to this link. So it's the same thing for each one. We don't want to download all of them at one time. We want to make sure that we download each one by one, and we do not have to do them both. If you're doing the 4 files, that's cool, and if you're doing the 8 files, that's cool. You do not gotta download the 8 files and the 4 files. It's just one or the other. So you just want to go to one of them, press the drop down menu, press download again on the new pop-up redirection, and then it'll start the download process, right? Once that's done, make sure that you go to the next one, uncheck this one, check this one, press the drop down menu, press download, you feel me? But just make sure you do them all one at a time, you feel me? And then, hey, once you're done, go to the next chapter of the video and I'll help you out. All right, so next they're gonna be in the go downloads folder. So you want to just navigate to your downloads folder, and you want to just get all 4 of them or 8 of them, and then drag them onto your desktop just like this. Just go to your desktop. You could put them in order. I think that make it easier. I don't really know, but just drag all 4 of them, and then right click, and then go to the WinRAR logo right here. Go to extract to Mugen V11 with the backslash, and then it'll start extracting. So just let that go. And then a tip that I give is, if it give you like a little notification that you running out of space, but it don't say like part 1 up here, like if it say like part 2 right here, but it then gave you the notification that you running out of space, you can just delete part 1. That way you can get some more space to continue downloading, if that makes sense, you feel me? So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when it's done. So once that's done, it'll create like a little folder. Everything inside of these 4 RAR files are compressed inside of this one folder right here. So we'll just open this folder and then press Jump Force Mugen right here, and then the game will start to load. When you get to this point, make sure that you don't press anything, especially if it's a black screen when you first load it up. Don't press anything, just let it load, my boy. Just let it load up, you feel me? Be patient, and then it'll start loading. Because if you press something, then the game will go unresponsive and it'll crash, you feel me? So just be patient. Alright, and as you see, the game will load, you feel me? You feel me? So that's all you gotta do. If you want to change like your controls, you can just go to options, you just go to input configuration, then you go to key config, and then configure all, and then you got to do them all at one time. So make sure you know what you want for each one of these before you start it, because once you start, you can't stop until it's all over, and then you press enter. That's all you got to do, you feel me? That's how you set your controls up. I done got a lot of comments asking me that. So you feel me? If this tutorial was helpful, just hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment below if you got any questions, you feel me, or if you need any help. I'm always here to help. Yeah, man, I appreciate y'all. Teo out, man.